Hi everyone, can't find the fingerprint option on your Android phone? Don't worry, I will show you simple ways to fix it. Step 1. Check phone spot fingerprint. First make sure your phone actually spot fingerprint. Go to settings. Security or biometrics. And check if the option is there. Step 2. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone. Sometimes the option disappears due to small system issues. Step 3. Check for software update. Go to settings. Software update. Install any available update. Bug can hide fingerprint settings. Step 4. Clear setting app cache. Go to settings. Apps. Setting apps. Storage and cache. Tap clear cache. This can fix missing options. Step 5. Remove screen lock. Go to settings. Security. Screen lock. Remove current lock and set it again. Then check fingerprint option. Step 6. Reset all settings. If still not showing, go to settings. Reset. Reset all settings. This won't delete your data. Final tip. If the option still does not appear, your fingerprint sensor may be damaged or not available on your device. And that's it. These steps should help you fix fingerprint not showing on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy teach fixes.